Hello everyone, my name is Jason Gilmore. I'm the CEO and co-founder of The Patient's Guide. We are one of the largest publishers of aesthetic information on the internet, reaching 1.8 million unique consumers each month and driving tens of thousands of prospective patients into our participating practices. And today I'll discuss our partnership with Cynosure and how you can take advantage of that 1.8 million consumer base that we reach to build your practice in conjunction with your partnership with Cynosure. So how do we reach these consumers that I'm mentioning? Most of that traffic comes in through search. According to the Pew Research Center, 8 in 10 Americans now rely on search to make healthcare decisions. So if you're not engaging actively in online patient acquisition, you certainly should be. At a minimum, doing pay-per-click advertising with Google, which can get quite expensive, and I'll kind of walk through that a little bit today. We own a network of over 30 websites that focus on everything from body shaping to hair removal to skin rejuvenation to tattoo removal, really the whole range of aesthetic treatments. And when we publish that much information and reach that many consumers, there's thousands of different keywords that people use to find us. I'll just walk you through a couple of examples to help illustrate how this works. So obviously, body shaping now is all the rage. We see, there's a lot of minimally invasive, fully invasive, non-invasive treatment options for consumers. So how do you find information and how do you figure out what to do? It could be quite daunting if you're a prospective patient. So I did a search for body contouring. I'm in Southern California here. We have a lot of different options, obviously. These results here, the first three, these are advertisements. These are pay-per-click advertisements. You can give Google your credit card information. About 15 minutes, you'll have advertisements live for your practice. I recommend it, although you're going to have to be mindful of the costs related to it. It could be thousands, tens of thousands of dollars a month if you're not paying attention. These are also ads. These are Google local results, so you should certainly have your Google local placement in order. And these top results here, these are what are called organic results. Typically 90% or so of the searchers will click on the organic results, usually the top 5. Here we have the American Society for Plastic Surgery. We have a Patient's Guide property here, and we have a local practice result here. We are number 2 on this result, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this and help you see how we benefit your practice through Cynosure. So this is our Patient's Guide body contouring website. We publish a huge library of information, videos, reviews before and after to help patients make an informed treatment decision. Obviously, Cynosure has the Smart Lipo MPX product. If I'm a prospective patient thinking about getting Smart Lipo, this will help me, kind of become more educated about it and then make a decision as to whether or not I want to actually talk to a practice. If I do want to talk to a practice, our consumers can reach a local practitioner through our Find a Doctor Locator tool. And this is really what Cynosure is partnering with us to provide to you today. These are Cynosure customers that are offering Smart Lipo. And if I'm in the North Jersey area here, I click on Dr. Chasen. And this is the profile that we've created for you as a Cynosure customer. You are able now to have your practice listed. We'll link to your website, provide a little more information about who you are and what you do, and give before and afters and so on so that a person can make a more informed treatment decision. Some of the benefits of being a participant in this program is we actually track every phone call that comes in. We track all the leads that are generated from this, so that you also have the ability to get some insight into how your practice is performing. So thank you so much for taking the time to learn a little bit more about this. I'm happy to answer any questions, or anyone on my team can answer any questions, or you can talk to your Cynosure rep. I appreciate you taking the time to learn a bit more about Patient's Guide.